Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome back. I'm here with a flip through of our Frozen Little Golden Book journal, and it measures 8 by 6 approximately. I have a fabric spine and some lace trim around here. I do have a little piece of what do you call this? Totally blank. Tassel, that a little tiny jewel tassel. I had this piece of jewelry that I picked up somewhere, and I added some pieces of silver chain. It's on a bubble pin, and I just put it on a Tim Holtz clip, so it clips onto the spine here, but it can be removed. So I have a headband closure, just a lace headband for the closure there, and it's a little bit chunky, not too bad. It's not a total alligator mouth. I can almost make it level, but it's got a good amount of filling inside. So inside I do have 2 signatures, and I believe there's about 64 pages, give or take. I have a pocket with a couple of tags here, a large tag. This was a new book, so everything is intact. The story is intact. Everything's in order. I kept the inside cover the way it was. There is lace on the inside here. This kit that I've used with this book is one of mine. You can find it in my Etsy store. It's a journal kit called Baby It's Cold, and it's kind of a gray tones, but there's a gray and a 3 different blues. There's a navy blue, a sky blue, and there's an even lighter blue, and then the white. So I have a piece of lace trim here. The links to everything will be in the description box. I did go ahead and add some lace tabs to all of the storybook pages in case you need to find those really quick. Then I've got a piece of dictionary. This one has frozen, and I think frost is on this page somewhere down at the bottom. Some white paper. Instead of coffee dyed paper, I decided to go with white copy paper. I've got a little glassine type bag here with a lace on an index card here. This is a piece from the Baby It's Cold kit. I did some solids because sometimes I like to have some solids. I did a belly band here. This is the faux grosgrain ribbon from the kit, a journal card, and a little booklet with some writing lined paper there. Here's one of the tip ends, and if you're interested in knowing about the tip ends, check out the playlist. It's like the first or second video in this series, how to do the tip ends, so that you don't have to cut the pages down. But I've got a 4x6 index card in here, and I've got just some pearls and rhinestone trim on there, and that keeps it from going all the way down in the pocket, although it fits pretty perfectly anyway. So here's another page from the book with the tab. Another one of the kit pages. We've got a corner flip here with a medium tag and a small tag. This is from the New York Public Library free domain pages. This is the original, one of the original images from the, I want to say it's like 1860s or 1880s, of the Snow Queen, which is the original Frozen story. I've got some paper clips with just some lace on the top, some more writing paper. Here's a white Rolodex card that I've just tucked on there for writing. This is a floating pocket here made out of a number 10 envelope. There's a pocket here with a tag, journal card here on the envelope tuck, and then a little tuck under here as well. So all of the instructions for that are also in the playlist. I want to say it's part 3. Here's another page of the story, another designer page. Here's a pocket that I made out of some glitter table runner that I got at Five Below, and I just love how that turned out. I've added some lace and some flat back trim, silver trim there. I've got some graph paper, some more writing paper, white doily, another piece of the kit paper. This one happens to have a flip out. You can write back there with a tuck. In the tuck I have one journal card, there's another journal card and a small tag. And there's the center with a piece of lace in the middle. It is a 3-hole pamphlet stitch. So here is a banner that we made using that same glitter table runner with a piece that was cut off from the kit, and then an extra journal card here. Another Rolodex card, a piece of doily, writing paper, graph paper. Here's another flip pocket and a medium tag. I think this is my favorite pattern, and then one of the small tags. And I just loved this because I thought the circles are very irregular and they reminded me of snowballs. Here's another designer page, story page. Here's another tip-in with the 4x6 journal card. Here's an envelope. I've just stuck this on. This is an envelope that I've made with one of the pieces that I printed. This is on thicker, I think this is on 40-pound paper, presentation paper. And I've just tucked that over the edge of that page. With the exception of the New York Public Library pages, all of this is from the Baby It's Cold kit. So that's the back of that New York Public Library page. Another piece from the kit, and I have another paper clip with just some of the fabric from the spine. The story. Here's a large tag that's just paper clipped to the page, and then on the back is a journal card. Here's the other side of that glassine bag, and the back of the dictionary page, and here's the other story page and the other tip-in. I think that's the last tip-in for the first signature. So we have 2 signatures, so this one I'll go through a little bit faster. Everything is pretty much the same. I'll just flip through so that you can see. This one has sister. This was really fun to put together. I really liked this. And then this is another page from the original Snow Queen book. Well, I don't know if it's an original, like, I don't know how old the story is, but it's from the original story of Frozen is the Snow Queen. I think that's what it's called. Now I'm pretty sure it's the Snow Queen. But anyway, that's from an 1800s book. So I'm not sure if that's the original. I think the story was written a long time before that, but it's another flip. And I've just done a cluster in the corner with the glitter runner and some of the blue glitter. It's like a not toile. Is it toile? Tulle. Tulle. I get those two mixed up. Grid paper. There's another Rolodex card. And the banner. This is the same tulle, the blue tulle with the sparkly. Here's the center of this signature. Here's another flip. Journal cards and a tag. And there's a lot of white in this. Oops, I missed a page. The doily. Missed a couple of pages. Another glitter pocket. Here's the other floating pocket. And like I said, we did this together, so if you're interested in this floating pocket. The original idea, I'm pretty sure I got this idea from Gail Gostinelli, so, and it's just got a tuck here, and then a tuck here. And of course you can attach this to the page any way you want, or just leave it clipped. If you want to attach it to a page, you could attach it on 2 sides and make a tuck, 3 sides, make a pocket here, 3 sides this way, make a pocket at the top, however you like. That's why I left it as a floating pocket, so you could decide where you want to put it. I've got another Rolodex back there. Back side of that Snow Queen. Lots of places to write. Another tip in. Here's another belly band. I don't know if you can see that belly band so well. It's lace on the grosgrain ribbon there. And that's a faux grosgrain ribbon. It comes on the kit. Another pocket with the index card. And I think this is the back side of the sister. I wish the sister had shown up here since it talks about the 2 sisters here, but it's on the other page. So, and then this is the last page of the story and the last designer page, and then there is a pocket in the back which has a large tag and a small tag and another little journal card. And then I am going to include these pages from the sticker kit with the book. So then you can decide which pages you would like to add stickers to, or if you want to add stickers to the pockets or whatever. That way, yeah, you know, make it your own. Oops. Trying to put this, there we go. Nope. Oh, I got it stuck on the corner, that's why. Okay. Alright, there we go. I'm making it much more complicated than it needs to be. And then this little tassel just clips right here, and you can clip it because the signatures are sewn down a little bit lower, so it'll clip right on there just like that. So I thought that was cute, and went well with the cover because it has that little bit of purple there. So anyway, if you're interested in this book, it will be listed in my Etsy store as soon as I can get it in there. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.